Hey Julie, this is Cisco. Hey, it was awesome talking to you this morning. And like I promised, here's this quick 5 minute video just going over your website, doing a website audit. And I'm just gonna go over a couple things as far as what you can do to like one, outbeat your competition and then get more visibility online. Okay, so I'm just gonna jump right to it. So right away, Julie, what I'm looking for in any given website is I look at content. Do you have like about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content? Reason being is because that helps you be optimized with Google. And I'm also looking for keywords, okay? And basically, what a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product, okay? And you're basically wanting those keywords on your website because you want to tell Google exactly what you want to be found for. And I'm going to dive in a little bit further into like what keywords you should be ranking for because you want to essentially be found for buyer intent keywords. But overall, good looking website, by the way, Julie. So let's just move forward to the next tab here. So this tab here, this is a tool called Ahrefs. It helps you understand how well your website's performing. So I'm going to jump over to this section. Okay, this is super important because this is your strength or your authority score. And currently you're being indexed at 7. And then this is your trustworthy score at 4.5. So you're probably wondering, well, where do I need to be? Typically what I tell my clients is that you want to be anywhere between 30 and above, and these guys being very close to each other. Okay, so you're not doing too bad. Obviously a little bit more work is going to get you higher, but nonetheless they're very close. Now, these are your backlinks. You have 412 with 124 referring domains. And what this means, right? So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking back to another, whether it's clickable or hyperlink text. Now, these backlinks per se act like an endorsement for your website. Okay, it's literally like a popularity contest. However, not all backlinks are created equal. So, like to your point, right here, we got different scores. So, not all of them are created equal. Now, it's worth noting, Julie, that you want to get relevant backlinks linking back to you, like within your industry. So, if you were to get links, for example, from a Pizza Hut, that can actually hinder your scores. Okay, now this is my favorite part, Julie, and just hang in there with me, okay? So this here is your organic keywords. So what that means is what keywords is your website being ranked for on Google? And the things that I'm looking for is buyer intent keywords because you want to be in front of those clients that are looking for services, that are looking for your type of service. Now, let's just take this one right here. AC repair. I hope I'm saying this right, but AC repair Pompano Beach. The volume, what this means is 80, estimated approximately 80 people are searching for this every single month. Okay, so anytime anybody's searching for AC repair, well, guess what? They're folks that understand exactly what they need help with. So when they type this on Google, they're gonna want to find a company that's gonna service them. Okay, and the last thing I want to go over here is your position. This is your current position. You're currently at 40. So what that tells me is one, you lost some rankings and you're probably like in the fifth or sixth page of Google. People ain't gonna go that far to find a company. Now, let's just jump into your competition real quick. See what they're doing, okay? So we got lindstorm, and once again, I'm looking for content, and I'm also looking at keywords. And look, air conditioning and plumbing, air conditioning repair, Pomona Beach, plumber, Pomano. Gosh, I hope I'm saying this right, Julie. But these are the keywords that I'm looking for. Now, let's just take them. Okay, let's just take them and let's look at what keywords they're ranking for. Look, air conditioning, Pomona Beach, air C repair, AC repair, just a different, just has the Florida at the end. Now, if you were to add up all of this volume, imagine like the amount of clients and work you could potentially be getting. Now, to finish this video off, let's just take AC repair and type it into Google. Okay, what pops up? So we're going to take it section by section. This is the Google ads, the Google guarantee. So anytime anybody shows up on here and you call or you go into their website, they're going to get charged a certain dollar amount. This is my favorite, the GMB or the Google My Business page, because 30 to 40% of calls come from the Google My Business page. A couple things that you can do to increase that is getting reviews, responding to reviews, getting optimized photos, content, and updating your clients when it comes to the GMB. Last thing is the organic listings. So lindstorm, you know how I mentioned that they were number what? If we go to this same keyword, they're ranked number 3. But look, they're actually ranked number 2. So you want to be like one on this page here for this specific keyword. So you want to be on the GMB and on the organic listing because you're going to get more visibility to potential clients. Anyhow, Julie, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions as far as how we can help you with these tips and tricks on being able to continue getting your website ranked higher, just shoot me an email. But here's the thing, like I mentioned over the phone, if you're like, you know what, Sisco, thank you so much for the info. We're actually going to pass. Like I said, no strings attached, no harm, no foul. Just go ahead and email me back with that info or give me a call or just text me back. And we're totally fine. Either way, it was nice meeting you, Julie. You seem like an awesome person, someone that I would like to work with. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts. Have a good one.